Dear learners, in this session, let us see how to create online media monitoring using a feed parser of Node-RED. So let us see what is media monitoring. Consider a company A wants to pursue or it wants to know what is how it's all happening in company B. So this company B can spread its details through various verticals through newspaper. I could observe the company details of B through TV, radio or online media. So everything now it has been put it in a web application. So the web applications can be it can visualize through dashboards, reports or alerts. So the company A can visualize all this details of company B through these media. So this is called as media monitoring. So monitoring the details through various forms of medias, your media monitoring. So a full stack plays a vital role in this media monitoring. So we'll be developing a front end and a API and a back end. So the company A will pursue its details to in the back end of your full stack. So where company A uh, will put its details through front end, whereas this detail will be analyzed and processed at the back end by the company B in order to compete each other. So here, as we discussed in the earlier session, the full stack requires a front end API and a back end. So where it involves lots of programming skills. So now this can be completely replaced by visual programming through Node-RED. So in our session, we are going for this media monitoring. RSS is going to play a vital role. RSS stands for really simple syndication. So it refers to a file which can be directly read by the computer through some XML files, which gets the information gets automatically updated. Okay. So for example, I can say in a layman perception, this RS feed, it takes the headlines, summaries, update notice, everything from various websites and it will going to put it in one particular platform. So like that, from many channel, we can summarize data in a particular channel. So that is what our RSS is going to help us to do. So this RSS is a web feed that allows user and application to access updates to websites in a standardized and computer readable format. So the RSS is just a web feed. It's going to allow the user, so the user can visualize the various verticals of the news from different websites to one particular location. Okay, so that is what RSS is going to help us. So in an RSS feed, these updates and notifications are gathered and it's very important. We are going to display it in a one convenient dashboard. So that is a real-time data. So all your real-time news can be gathered and it is going to put it in one convenient dashboard. So this information is fetched by the RSS feed reader that converts the files and updates and produces the latest updates from the website in an easy readable format. So this is all about the basics of RSS. So we have this, this is a symbol of RSS. So this RSS feeds going to take details from the newspaper. So read abstract from various online news verticals. We are going to read the abstract. So after reading the abstract, we can analyze it using a particular keyword. So detect a particular keyword. Then if the particular keyword occurs, you can send notification as well. So this is what we are going to visualize now. So we have an RSS here. This RSS is going to help us to read the data from the various verticals. Then from there we can detect some keyword and if the keyword occurs, we can send notification as well. So what are RSS and Atom? So as I discussed earlier, RSS is a type of web feeds. It's a site summary or syndications. So basically it is based on XML. So it direct the access to headline. It can be abstract, a link or timestamp. So we are going to retrieve the data through RSS and we are going to put it in this Node-RED. This is what we are going to do it now. So for that we recreate the following nodes. So we are going to do media monitoring through Node-RED nodes. So for this we need the nodes such as feed parser node, switch node, change node, debug node and a text dashboard node. So this is a sample flow. This ESPN news is your feed parser node and this is your dashboard text dashboard node. This is debug node, switch node, change node. Again I'm using same text dashboard node and a debug node. So we need an important node called feed parser node. So in order to get this RS atom feeds, we have a special node in the Node-RED called feed parser node. So to get RSS atom feeds, we have a special node called feed parser node. So to install the feed parser node, either you can install through command or through manage palette, you can install it. So this node will monitor. So it monitors an RSS atom feed for new entries. It will keep on checking the real-time data of a particular website and will keep on monitor it and it will fetch it and it is going to produce a required data. So that is what we are going to do it. So this this feed parser node contains a refresh option. So for every 15 minutes, default setup is 15 minutes. For every 15 minutes, it gets refresh itself. So it is a configurable. So you can we can configure as per our required time. So to start with, just click this 3 lines so that we can get this manage palette. In this manage palette, click install. In this install, you type feed. So we could see this command node-red -node -feed parser. Then click install. Once this installation is over, click install to get installation. Once installation is over, we could see this feed parser available in the node palette. So you just as usual drag it and place it in the flow. So now we need to know about the various RSS new feeds. So first let us take an example for ESPN. So you just in the Google you just type ESPN RSS news feed. So you will get a link stating ESPN.com. So you just click that ESPN.com. So it will land on in various RSS feeds. So top headlines can be reviewed, NFL headlines, NBA headlines, like this. Various verticals of headlines is there. Okay. So whatever required RSS you needed, you select it. So let us take top headline RSS link. So once you click it, you will get this XML file code which has been embedded for this particular URL. So now you just copy this link espn.com/espn/rss/news. So after copying this, just keep it with us. So let us going to start with the flow. So this is the sample ESPN RSS feed link which we have retrieved just now through Google. So now double click your feed parser in order to edit its properties. So here you have to paste this URL. So whatever URL we copied for the ESPN RSS news, you just paste it here and then you can configure this refresh minutes. So here by default it is 15 minutes. So you can change as per your requirement, and name I have given here is ESPN news. So I'll be having a ESPN news and then I'm going to display it in a debug monitor and then I'm going to display it in a UI dashboard. So text dashboard. So in the debug node, you just make sure your output is going to contain the complete message object. So just ensure it contains complete message object. Next, your text node of the dashboard. So double click its property. As usual for dashboard, we are supposed to configure the group node group attribute, tab, size, layout, label, value, and the layout format can be of any ways. It can be followed by label followed by the value, label in one line and value in the other line. So I am going to take this format, label in one line and the value in the other line, and then going to give the name as newsreader here. So that's all give done. So now deploy it. So after deploying it, you could see the output in the debug monitor. So this is the ESPN RSS feed. So you could see topic, article, message ID, everything. You can click the article in order to visualize what is the content of the article. The same thing has been displayed in the UI dashboard as well. So now if I want to if we want to streamline, as I discussed, this can be detect keywords. This also helps to detect keywords. So if you want to fix some keywords, if you want to perform some pattern recognition, or in order to identify any existence of a particular word, so we can do it using switch node. So double click the edit properties of the switch node. So you can give the property as message dot. So message dot will be already be configured here. We have to type article dot title. So now we are going to configure with the article dot title. So whatever title we are going to have it, the names, whatever configuration we are going to pertain with respect to our title, it is going to be analyzed here. Then you just click this option in order to set matches regex. So this helps for ignoring the case. So if you like to ignore case sensitive, if you want to do with in case sensitive option, you can go this matches regressions. Else you can go with contain. Contain will particularly check for the similar word in if it is an uppercase, it will just search only for the uppercase letter. But imagine I want to search for football. So the football, F can be capital letter, O, T can be small letter. So in order to work with ignore case option, we have to go with this match regex. So I am going to select an option like player. So wherever the title contains player, that is going to be displayed. It is going to be routed and it is going to be displayed. Then in the bottom we have two options like checking all rules and stopping after first match. So here let us go with checking all rules. Okay, so it will consider all the rules and then it will close it. So if you want to include more rules, you can click a add button here, plus button, then you can include more rules for this as well. Next, change node. So double click the change node. So here we are going to set the rules for it. So the rules set message.topic to article title. So we are going to search from topic till title. So it can be the title description also, we can include it. And you can add a few more rules. So I am adding a message from to RSS alert at noreply.com. For example, if you want to send to any particular email ID, then this is required. If not, we can ignore this. So this is change to route the it's called keyword detected through the switch node. So that's all we have done with change node and the switch node. So then deploy it so that we can see the output in the debug monitor as well as in the debug dashboard UI. So now you can see which player. So I have included player in the switch node. So wherever title I have player, that will be displayed in this in the section. So if you want to know the more details about the topic, so you can click topic. If you want to know about the article, you can click the article in order to see the output. So that's all. So the task is just create a web API using template node. Through the last session, you can refer the last session to how to create a template node. So design a form to get the reader details. Then on submitting the reader details, make the reader to read the article. So how we are going to read the article? We are going to read the article through feed parser. So now using feed parser node, create an online media monitoring from minimum 3 RSS feed nodes. Like you can take a link from RSS feed from NDTV, The Hindu, or India Today, or Times of India. So any feed, you just take it. So after taking this feed, you just filter the category. So at least 3 category verticals you just select. Either it can be sports, economics, education, or politics. So any 3 verticals, you just minimum 3 verticals you just select it and display the output both in monitor and in the UI dashboard. So let us see a demo onto it. So first to start with, just click this 3 lines in order to get the manage palette. So go to the manage palette, click the install. You just type here feed parsers. So click feed parser node hyphen feed parser. Since it's already installed in my system, it shows installed. For the beginners or the first time installer, it will show install like this. Then you just click install in order to install this feed parser. Then close it. Come to the node palette. Click type feed parser. So if you type feed parser will be popped up. So you can select it, you drag it and keep it in the flow. So I'm selecting and dragging it and placing it here. Okay, so now double click it. So we need a feed URL. So you just Google it, ESPN RSS feed. So if you want ESPN RSS feed, you can type like this. Then you can go to this link. So you have ESPN, various verticals of this. So for this, we are going to consider the top headlines. So click this top headlines. You will be landing on this XML code. You just select this website address of ESPN RSS/news. So similar to what you can get any RSS need. For example, I does not know what are the various RSS feed available. So you can type RSS news feed. So if you click RSS news feed, you can see there was a news feed, RSS news feed available for Times of India and The Hindu, the NDTV, India Today, News 18. Like this, various RSS feeds are available. So you can click it and you can take that address. So after taking the address, you just paste this address in the feed URL. Okay, so place this address, then you can give a refresh minute. So I can say I'm going to refresh for every 2 minutes. Then I'm going to give the name as ESPN News. So just give the name. Then click done. So now you just select a debug node and place it here. So in this, you just select the option as complete message object. So select complete message object, click done. Then go to the node palette, select that, type the text TEXT. So text input is available and text is available. So we want output node. So take this text output node, drag it and place it here, text node. Then double click it. So as usual, we have to configure the group and the tab, as we discussed this in the earlier sessions, how to configure your dashboard nodes. So here I'm just going to give the name as a new reader. and the tab name is also new reader. Size, you can fix a size. So I'm just fixing a size like this. Then I'm going to give label as e-newspaper, and I'm going to select this option, and this is online. I'm going to give name as online newsreader. Then click done. So that's it. We have created a feed parser, just a debug node and a text node. Now deploy it. So confirm deploy. So now you could see this article details of ESPN news. So you just click this. You could see there is a topic, payload, article, message ID. If you want to know much about the article, you can click this to know the title. So each article will hold the title. So the title contains dog sleds, magic and autograph, and the description, summary. So everything is here. So now whatever details you want to fit into it, you can take it. Okay. So now let us consider a topic like here this. So which holds the University of Central Florida. So let me take a keyword as university. Okay. Now I want to include a switch node. So before I go into it, I'll show you the output of this. So this is the newsreader. Since I have modified as auto the size, I'll just select the size as auto, so that based on the requirement the output will be produced. Click done. Deploy. So now see, you can see this e-newspaper. Okay. So this is the e-newspaper. Then if I want to work with a particular text, so I'm going to select, I'm going to include a switch node. So switch node, double click it. So here I'm going to work with the title. So here the title can be article title. So I'm taking the article title as UCF. Let me take the article title as UCF. So here you can select matches REGX. Actually that is your regressive expressions. Sorry, a regular expression. So you can select your regular expressions of any case sensitive. REGX regular expression, you can select it. So once you, if it is contains, then you can see case sensitive will not be, ignore case will not be there, because it just checks for only uppercase of UCF. So if you want very particular that ignore case should come, then it will be like this. You have to activate your ignore case. So they give UCF. If you want to add more verticals, you can add it here. So let me work with one vertical and I'll just show you the output. So checking all rules, I'm checking the default as checking all rules, then click done. So that's all we have done with switches. Then change rule, double click your change node. So here you just set message.topic. So from topic till title, article title, you can filter it. Then message from to, so this is for if you're working with the email, then you can give this message from to else we can ignore it. So we can go with this first option itself. I'll delete this one in order to avoid in order to give a clear picture. So click done. I'm going to select this and message topic and article as title. Then click done. So that's all. Debug just select it as usual. You can select the debug as output as complete message object. Then click done. News title. So here also you can select an auto option. So online news title, select the display pattern, then you can give the name as ESPN news title, then click done. So that's all. We have done with the complete nodes in the flow. Now deploy it, confirm deploy. So you can see that is University of Central Florida has displayed. So if you want to give some space, you can give space. So size we can select it. Click done. Deploy. Confirm deploy. So see, you can see this, that university related to that UCF will be displayed. So like this you can streamline the output and we can route that output to the particular display panel. So if you want to see some details, you can click the article of your monitor. You can click the article in order to track your keyword. To detect your keyword, you can use anything. So even if you put a driver, black driver, then this details will be displayed. That's all. Thank you so much.